Hello guys, welcome to StarTech City friends. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your camera focus problem in LeEco X2. As you know friends, LeEco X2 have so many focusing problems, so you need a TWRP and a flash zip files. Link of both things are in description, so you can download from there and extract them and you can flash them. So friends, without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to select the file which I provided and click on install and select 28s camera focus zip. After selecting it, there is option of swipe to confirm in bottom. Just swipe it to confirm. It will take 5 seconds to flash, and friends, 5 minutes or 10 minutes according to your boot process of your phone to start Android. It is for friends EUIs, official EUIs and EUI based custom ROMs. Guys, if it is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Good luck friends, keep watching StarTech City.